Today's case study is all about a business that needed reliable support ASAP, and we delivered a rock star.
My name is Preet Judge. I am the founder. We are in the healthcare digital marketing agency niche industry.
Awesome. Perfect. Preet, I want to ask you, do you already have experience hiring people overseas, or was this your first time hiring somebody that is in another place in the world?
I've had experience hiring overseas before.
Now, based on that, how long have you been working with Remote Latinos?
We just signed on, so it's only been approximately a month, I'd say.
Okay. Now, based on that, on this short period that we've been working together, what made the experience in working with Remote Latinos different than other is in the way out there?
I want to say communication, because well, obviously that's all we have. And, we're working somewhat overseas, right? So communication was top notch, in my opinion, and also of any news was always on a timely manner. I felt very prompt. So communication, which is a personal big, you did that. You and your team did that pretty well.
Appreciate that. As you can tell, that was one of my commitments since day one. Having a great communication with you will make the process smoother. Because based on that, can you describe any specific moment or maybe an interaction that particularly impressed you about either the communication or the whole experience?
Yeah, the biggest one, I guess, could be what led to me hiring this person that you brought on. You brought on wasn't even part of the original, but due to some circumstance that we didn't see on our side, you were able to right away present someone qualified to me, and I ended up hiring that person. So we were able to salvage back our lost time and get me a person on board.
Definitely. Based on that, I was always trying to bring the best talent for you. Again, there's no perfect process, but always making sure that we can provide the best that we have when needed. So, what would you tell to other business owners about Remote Latinos and at the end, somebody who is looking to hire you or other positions?
Yes.
What would you tell to owner about Remote Latinos?
Oh, what will it tell? Oh, okay. Well, I would recommend you guys. So I thought that's what the question was. Sorry.
Yeah.
What will I tell them? Well, I would easily share my own experience, my own positive experience. And usually people want strong proof if a company is good at what they're doing. And I would just present them my own new employee that I have that came from.
And that's how we solved it. If you want to hire talent like this, visit remotelatinos.com or hit the link in the description. See you in the next one.